जो सपा बसपा और कांग्रेस के नेता लूट करके अपने घरों को बनाते थे, आज वही पैसा दीवारों से कैसे निकल रहा आप देख रहे होंगे। अब आपकी भी समझ में आ रहा होगा कि बबुआ नोटबंदी का विरोध क्यों करता था। अब तो समझ में आया होगा ना।
Namaste and welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, it is mind-boggling the amount of cash that we are talking about. This is dirty money and it is coming in from Kanpur and Kannauj from a person who's relatively unknown. It's straight out of a film script where aapko yaad hai, there was a screenplay and a storyboard which said that there was somebody who worked like a one help or somebody in a government office, a sarkari karamchari, who just walks across and takes a walk into a nondescript lane and goes up to an alley and a dungeon, and there's some rack which looks like full of dust and muck, and he just opens it up and there's just lots and lots of cash which he is stored away, hoarded away, or perhaps holding on as a point of his loot. Now if you look at this, these are the dungeons of cash. This is where 23 kilograms of gold and so much of cash was found in Kannauj. It's a factory, and inside the factory, look at the notes. It's all crisp 2,000 rupee notes and 500 rupee notes which have been found, more than 1,200 stacks. So much so that 4 days later the authorities are still counting. They are still counting. Now we are given to understand from sources that there are certain stacks जिसमें पानी घुस गया है, सीलन हो गई थी, जिसकी वजह से वो it's become very moist, so it is not going into the counting machines. 9 counting machines in all. So they are now manually counting the cash, and it's still happening. It's still being counted. So if you look at these visuals, these are the visuals that we've accessed here at CNN News 18. These are the dungeons where hard cash was found. They jahan hathoda mara, if you've seen movies like The Raid, starring Ajay Devgan, jahan hath mara, wahan se paisa gir gaya, yahan diwar todi, wahan se paisa gir gaya. That's exactly what is happening. So it's not what is something in real, it's real. And this is after Notbandi. So in the last 3 or 4 years, somebody's been preparing either to take away all this loot, cart it away out of the country, or perhaps use it for the polls. Whose money is it is a big question, because somebody whose declared turnover is 5 crores, you may say you may find black money worth say about 5 times that or 10 times that, so up to 50 crores. This is nearly 357 crores of cash and gold, plus another 150 to 200 crores worth of land documents. Not just in India but abroad. This is the UP's House of Cash. Total amount of money is 257 crore and still counting. This is from the house in Kanpur. 17 crore in cash in gunny bags from the house in Kannauj. In gunny bags. Jewels recovered worth 100 crore, which include 23 kilograms of gold, 50 kilograms of silver, 600 kilograms of sandalwood oil worth 6 crore rupees has also been unearthed. Plus land documents worth more than 300 crore. That's the total number of 16 bighas plus of land and these are farmlands, and plus there is property, etc. across the world. The straightforward question is, who is using dirty cash in this dance of democracy? Jibes and counter jibes have been going on. But the reality is, crores of dirty money. That's the hashtag too. Coup about it, tweet about it, tell us what you think. Let's go straight across to the BJP and the Samajwadi Party, because Arop Pratyarop, that is, allegations and the counter are between these two. Ladies, namaste. We have Anila Singh of the BJP and we have Nahid Lari Khan, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Nahid Lari Khan, एक बात बताइए, इतना पैसा कहाँ से आ रहा है इतना पैसा? Who's got so much of money? Where is it coming from? Aren't you curious to know? Whose money is it? Nahid ji? Nahid ji, can you hear me? Nahid ji, can you hear me? I think she just lost the audio because she could hear me till I said hello, and then when I asked whose money is it, we've lost the connection. I hope Anila Singh you can hear me out. 2016 में नोटबंदी हुई और 2021 में 357 करोड़ रुपया in cash and gold and jewelry, and these gold bars have international markings.
My Ram to everyone, and Anand, what to say? They are tax thieves, tax chori karne wale, tax chor hai. But definitely, the way Samajwadi Party had reacted initially, their leaders, their spokespersons, they were advocating for him on his behalf. But later on, perhaps their advisors, they might have told Akhilesh Yadav, what is this? Your spokespersons, they are advocating, so they are endorsing this thing that yes, this person had some sort of relationship with the Samajwadi Party. Then they changed the tunes. They started saying, "Hum kya jaane? Ye to itr bhi usne nahi banaya. Hum to nahi jante. Hum to nahi jante." But otherwise, they were saying, "Bharatiya Janata Party वालों पे तो रेड नहीं हो रही है. Bharatiya Janata Party वालों पे तो रेड नहीं हो रही है. अरे भारतीय जनता पार्टी वाले चोरी करते ही नहीं है. चोरी आपके लोग करते हैं." But the thing is, I mean, I don't find any humor in it. But the thing is, जो Game of Thrones है, अब उसका क्या होगा? Akhilesh Yadav ji, how he is going to play this game for Game of Thrones? So definitely, I think he is in shock. He has quarantined himself, and though he is corona negative, still he has quarantined himself. So he might be making some sort of strategy that how he has to go ahead.
No, but their response is the person who helped launch the Itr or the perfume is Pammi Jain. This person is Piyush Jain. Kannauj ke MP Subrat Pathak is from the BJP. The raid jo padwai, that is the BJP.
I know.
So why is it that the Samajwadi Party should be dragged into it? भाई इतना पैसा इतना धन अगर इकट्ठा हुआ है वो भी तो आपके राज में हुआ है. That is the counter that's coming through.
Anand, we didn't drag them. They themselves, they were jumping as if there is a saying, the cat on hot tin roof. They were doing that. Initially, they were doing that. Their reaction was the same. They were reacting so violently. Samajwadi Party walo, to the limit, I'll tell you, Anand, this is so funny and very, I'll say, funny and not insulting, because one of this national spokesperson, he said, अरे बीजेपी वालों पे भी तो रेड करो, बीजेपी अनिला सिंह के घर पे रेड करो और हमारे कुछ मिनिस्टर्स के नाम दे दिए, उनके घर पर रेड करो, केवल आप हमारे लोगों के ऊपर रेड क्यों कर रहे हो?
You are saying a Samajwadi Party person said this to you.
Bhadoria to Neha Yadav, everybody. Sorry?
Everybody. So you are saying a Samajwadi Party person initially said कि बीजेपी वालों के यहाँ भी रेड करो, हमारे लोगों पर ही क्यों रेड हो रही है?
This shows ना कि भी चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका. ठीक है, आईटी वाले और जीएसटी वाले वो लोग अपना रेड कर रहे हैं, अपना काम कर रहे हैं, उनको पता चला होगा, उनको कोई क्लू मिला होगा जिसकी वजह से उन्होंने रेड किया.
नहीं, पर सवाल यही है कि ये सारे क्लू और ये सब जो पता लगता है वो सिर्फ विपक्षी पार्टियों के यही पता लगता है क्या? Maybe this must have been the counter, but Nahid Lari Khan is with us. Nahid ji, we had lost you earlier, so I'm just asking you, इतना सारा धन कहाँ से आया? Whose money is it?
See, firstly, I'll react to what Anila ji has said and what Mr. Adityanath has said. Let me tell you, Anand ji, that in Uttar Pradesh, nobody takes Mr. Adityanath seriously. Nobody takes his talk seriously. I'll tell you the reason behind it. Because it is RSS and BJP's sanskars to constantly tell lies, indulge in criminal activities, do corruption, rape women, do cheer haran of backward women belonging to backward class. And if you see that one of the national president of BJP was caught red-handed accepting bribes worth lakhs of rupees to get work done by PM, इसलिए आप ये समझे कि चोरों को तो सब चोरी नजर आते हैं. Now if you see that BJP has said that demonetization and GST will end corruption, black money and fake currency will be rooted out. Now my question is that how come such large amount of money is being unearthed? Even foreign hallmark gold bars were also found with Piyush Jain. Now the foreign gold bars which have reached UP, it cannot reach UP without the government and the government agencies' knowledge. Even if there was a lapse, that means that then too it is clear that it is the failure of double engine Sarkar. And if you talk about fake currency notes, now let me tell you that NCRB data suggests that clearly states that rupees 2000 notes has gained more momentum from 2018 to 2019. And if you talk about UP, fake currencies is skyrocketed in UP, be it in Jaunpur, Gonda, Firozabad, Bahraich, Banda, Lucknow, Noida, even Ayodhya, even Barabanki. And recently I read in news that in Gujarat, in one of the temples, fake currency worth 1 crore rupees was recovered. So if you see that BJP has started a new money laundering scheme also.
But I'll tell you what, all of this is a very well prepared argument, but Anila ji said only one thing. जब ये शुरू में पकड़े गए तब समाजवादी पार्टी के स्पोक्सपर्सन और उनके नेता इतना उछल क्यों रहे थे? Why were they jumping at that time? Why did they run to Piyush Jain's defense? That's where the question started.
See, Anand ji, this is the whole thing that a story cooked up by Anila ji. I just told you that these are the sanskars. I told you that these are RSS and BJP sanskars to constantly tell lies, to do corruption, to do criminal activities. I told you that these are the sanskars. Now let me tell you one thing more. The BJP has started a new money laundering scheme. The money they have collected सत्ता में रहते जितना धन उगाई की है ना, उसको जो चैनलाइज कर रहे लोग डोनेशन के माध्यम से, और जैसे मिलेगा डोनेशन इनको 4 लाख, ये बता देंगे 40 करोड़ मिला. And you will also see that they will say that this donation flow.
नहीं, but अगर आपको, but नाहिद जी, sometimes what happens is when you prepare a counter argument, you should not defeat your own argument in the first place, because my simple question, आप सुनिए प्लीज. अच्छा, I'm just saying, अगर इनको ये सारे हथकंडे पता थे, why would they ensure that somebody, जो अगर ये उनका आदमी होता तो उनके घर में, उनके डंजन में 350 करोड़ के साथ से ज्यादा की जब्ती क्यों कराता? ये तो फिर चुपचाप, जैसा आप कह रहे हैं, डोनेशन के थ्रू रूट कर लेते अपने आप के लिए. बट यहाँ पर हाँ,
इस पे बता देती हूँ ना. Just give me some time to first let me tell you about the big money laundering scheme they have launched donation के माध्यम से. उस पे बता दूं पहले.
नहीं, अभी तो ना ये, see, I'll tell you what, this is like shifting the goalpost, Nahid Khan. Nahid ji, this is shifting. I am asking you right now, if this is the BJP, if this Piyush Jain is a BJP guy and this is all BJP's money, why will they get a raid done? And if you believe that the Sarkari institutions are all controlled by the BJP and the BJP is only getting all these raids done because come the Chunav polls, why will they get the, अब ये तो अपने पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी नहीं, ये तो पूरा पेड़ ही गिरा रहे अपने पैर पे.
आप बहुत लंबा क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया, मैं आपको जवाब दे.
आपने जवाब भी तो इतना लंबा दिया और कितना घुमा के दिया, तो मेरे को भी घुमा के सीधा वापस पॉइंट पे आने के लिए सवाल पूछना पड़ा. नाहिद जी,
आनंद जी, समाजवादी पार्टी has no relation with this Piyush Jain person. And as far as few media houses have reported, Piyush Jain has direct link with BJP, Amit Shah and Jay Shah. And he refused. BJP asked him for more funds, but he refused. That is why this raid has taken place.
Oh, BJP asked for more funds and that is why this raid has taken place.
Yes. This is the media has reported this. Media has reported
So media has also carried out Samajwadi Party spokesperson saying कि हमारे लोगों पर ही आप क्यों रेड करा रहे हैं, बीजेपी के लोगों पर क्यों नहीं रेड करा रहे हैं, अनिला सिंह के घर क्यों नहीं रेड करा रहे. So that is also, media only has carried this on a live debate. This has happened 2 days back on a live debate. It has happened. Nahi ji, now let Anila Singh respond. Let Anila Singh, आपने बहुत सारे आरोप लगाए बीजेपी पर. Let Anila ji also respond.
No, you show me where our spokesperson has said.
Arey, you before you just joined us. Okay, let Anila Singh herself say it. Let Anila Singh herself say. 1 minute. Nahi ji, don't crowd the debate and don't try and monopolize it. Please wait. No, please wait. आप सुनिए तो सही. जिनको बोला वो बैठी है साथ. अरे जिनके साथ ये घटना घटी वो बैठी है हमारे साथ लाइव. उनसे ही सुनिए. अरे उनसे ही सुनिए. नाहिद जी जरा सुनिए. अनिला जी बताएं. अनिला जी बताएं. अरे रुक जाइए. नाहिद जी रुक जाइए.
आनंद, I think
नाहिद जी रुक जाइए प्लीज. Yes अनिला.
ऐसे झूठ करना बोलिए.
I think Nahid ji should do some homework. When this raid happened initially, she should go and check the YouTube links of all those programs. and all those debates.
अरे
Go
please,
and
please,
check-
please,
go and check your facts. Why-
Naid ji,
why
I
are you
request
shouting
you.
so
आप
much?
दो ही लोग हैं
There is
डिबेट
no
में,
need
please
for you
don't
to
try,
shout. This shows
please
your
don't shout
helplessness.
over each
This shows
other.
your frustration.
आप दो ही लोग हैं डिबेट में, मैं रिक्वेस्ट यू, इतनी देर आप बोल रही थी, उनको बोलने दीजिए, फिर आप काउंटर कीजिए. नाहिद खान जी, please, I request you. नाहिद जी, I request you, please. I don't want to. Listen, you're both, Miss Khan, please, I don't want to mute you out. I don't want to do this. Please, I'm requesting you to please yield. Please yield, Naid Khan. Naid Khan, please yield. Don't make me raise my voice, ma'am. Please yield. Anila Singh, please make your point, and then Naid ji, then you counter.
And in the way she is talking, her the way she is talking, her frustration, her helplessness is portraying. She knows very well that yes, initially the leaders, the spokespersons, they had advocated for this person. I myself, many, I'm not going to name them. She herself can go and check the facts. She has to do some homework. Bharatiya Janata Party is not going to help. So whole of the world knows in today's date that yes, Samajwadi Party has got some sort of relation with this gentleman. The person who is kar chor, yani tax thief. Why are you laughing like what to say? I don't like to make similes. I'm not that type of spokesperson. But why are you laughing? Is something amusing going on? A person who has. What is the problem with you, lady? What is the problem with you, lady? I think can't you debate decently? लाल टोपी की गुंडागर्दी कभी राज्यसभा में, पार्लियामेंट में दिखाई देती है, कभी सड़कों पे दिखाई देती है, कभी चैनल्स पे दिखाई देती है. चोरों का साथ देने वाली पार्टी, भ्रष्टाचारियों का साथ देने वाली पार्टी, माफियाओं का साथ देने वाली पार्टी, गुंडागर्दी की पार्टी. काला दिल काला धन इज इक्वल टू लाल टोपी. काला दिल काला धन इज इक्वल टू लाल टोपी. So understand your frustration, your helplessness is portraying that what is going on in Samajwadi Party.
काली सोच, काली दिल वाले आप लोग से कहाँ सीधी सच्ची बात हो सकती है? जनता भी
तभी आप लोग काली जैकेट पहन के घूमते हैं. आप लोगों का ड्रेस कोड है ना, सफेद कुर्ता पजामा, काली जैकेट, लाल टोपी.
उत्तर प्रदेश से भाजपा
What has happened to her?
Now, listen. देखिए, you are two national spokespersons of two parties who are seeking the mandate of the people. Now, if you cannot even have decorum in a debate, then please don't make me shout you out and mute you out. I don't want to do that.
I am trying to balance it out.
Naid Khan, please yield. Naid Khan, now I am going to respectfully tell you, please do not heckle. Please do not heckle, ma'am. Please do not heckle, ma'am. I can get down to that. I thought we will raise the level of this debate because there are only two panelists. We have not got a crowd here. It's just the two of you. Let's not heckle each other. Please hear your opponent out. Let's hear the BJP out, and please come back to the counter. Let's not do that. Let's show certain level of decorum and respect to each other. No, Naiji, now I will not let you speak and intervene. Please, no, you please hold on, ma'am. You have to learn to hold on and you have to learn to yield, ma'am. Please, no, I have repeatedly requested you kindly, ma'am. I have repeatedly requested you very patiently. Don't please try and take my patience for granted and take my civility for granted, please. Again and again I am telling you, please yield. So please yield. Anila Singh, make your point and then I'll go back to Naid Khan. Yes.
The type of frustration and helplessness which we are observing right now, and the fury and the...
Let's come to the allegations made against the BJP. Let's come to the allegations made against the BJP. The allegations are one, that the BJP wanted more funds out of this man, so you have conducted the raid. Number two, ma'am, it is the GST team that came from Gujarat. They were pursuing an investigation and they've stumbled upon this. Otherwise, nobody would have known what was going on. And even after 4 days, we have still not finished counting the money, so we don't even know the source. Yes, Anila ji. 1 minute, Anila ji.
This is what, Anand, this is what I am saying. These agencies, they are doing their job. And in this case also, they were doing their job. They had some sort of some clue or some evidences or whatever. So they were tracing. So they keep on tracing all those people who try to evade taxation. But later on, then you come to know that how they are related to some political party or someone else. We know, like 1 + 1 makes 2. Perhaps 2 plus 2 makes 4. This is how these agencies work. If we talk about December like we know it, in this 1 month raids have happened in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Goa, Gujarat. So at various places these agencies, they keep on doing their work. But the thing is, when you catch hold of them, then definitely
now here is the allegation that Akhilesh Yadav has also made when he spoken to News 18. He has said that these raids, why don't you get the call records checked? He's also said, release the call records and see who this person Piyush Jain was in touch with.
I think everything will be done. Everything will be done by these agencies. So Akhilesh Yadav ji and their spokespersons or the leaders, they do not have to worry. But yes, definitely how their party leaders or the spokespersons they are behaving, I am not at all surprised. I'm not at all surprised because the helplessness can be seen.
Okay.
Because they know it very well. अब क्या होगा जो भीड़ इकट्ठा करते थे, managed भीड़ को इकट्ठा करते थे, पैसे
okay,
जो
let
है
me
कहाँ
ask
से
let me
आएंगे?
ask Nahid Khan ji one thing. Nahid ji, the Samajwadi Party perfume which was launched, this man Piyush Jain did not mix that perfume. He had no role to play in developing that perfume. Can you say that?
No, Anand ji, the person who launched the perfume was our MLC Pampy Jain. He was not Piyush Jain.
No, Pampy Jain launched the perfume and Akhilesh Yadav was present. I am saying, did Piyush Jain formulate this perfume or not?
No, Piyush Jain has nothing to do with anything with Samajwadi Party. I just told you.
No, not with Samajwadi Party. I said, did
Piyush Jain
formulate
formulate
the Samajwadi Party perfume? And does Piyush Jain know Pampy Jain or not?
He did not. First thing, he did not manufacture the Samajwadi Party Itra. Second thing, he does not know Pampy Jain at all. Pampy Jain has made it very clear that he has no relation with this person and he does not know who he is. Second thing, now till now, Anila Singh has not been able to show the bite of the spokesperson she's been talking about. Second thing, that why isn't the government...
Why should I show you the bite?
Why isn't the government showing the call records of Piyush Jain? I think all things will be clear. Now, if you see that Honorable Akhilesh Yadav ji is constantly amongst the public on road addressing millions. People are eager to meet him, to see him, to hear him. And sky is even not the limit for his present popularity. And even the public has come out openly on roads showing the mandate and speech in support of Akhilesh Yadav ji, fearing colossal defeat. BJP has tried various stunts. But
if this man has got nothing to do with the Samajwadi Party, and if this man has got nothing to do with anything of the dirty money which is going to be used for the polls, why is the Samajwadi Party running to his defense or trying to put up a face saying that this is a BJP's conspiracy or even or reacting to it? Why?
Anand ji, it's a very good question you've asked. First thing, nobody ran for his defense. Nobody ran for his defense. That's what I said, that Anila Singh is telling lies here, blatant lies. Nobody ran for his defense, one thing. But when BJP came up, according to the Sanskar, they started telling lies about Samajwadi Party, trying to defame our party. Then, of course, it is our mandate that we have to stand for our party. We have to tell that this person does not have any relationship with our party.
Right. Okay. Now I have limited time. Let me just bring in Anila Singh ji, please. I've just got one more minute on the show, on this debate. Anila Singh, is there a connection between this man with any political party? It's not yet been established yet. But the Chief Minister of the state has already pointed, was saying कि दीवारें तोड़ रहे हैं तो वहां से पैसे निकल रहे हैं. ये देखिए किससे के और कौन थे जो कि काले धन की खिलाफत कर दिया पर क्रैकडाउन और नोटबंदी के खिलाफ थे. So he's also drawn the parallel already. So is it a political statement or is it backed by...
पहली बात तो ये है कि एक तो just tell her to keep quiet. I don't know why she
Okay, final 30 seconds, ma'am. 30 seconds, ma'am. I have to wind up.
Nahid Larry, go and tell your media team कि वो facts निकाले कि शुरू में किस लोगों ने बोला था कि जैन के साथ जो है समाजवादी पार्टी के रिलेशंस हैं. झूठ बोलना बंद किया करो. चोरों की पार्टी मुलायम सिंह यादव जी ने खुद कहा था जब नोटबंदी हो रही थी कि एक हफ्ते का टाइम दे दो. नोटबंदी के समय मुलायम सिंह यादव जी ने कहा था.
वाना 1 घंटे का टाइम किसने, 1 हफ्ते का टाइम किसने मांगा और पिछले 4 दिन से nobody's been able to find out where did all this money, gold and all of this come from and how long has this been stashed, because all these are new notes. 2,000 rupee denomination and 500 rupee denomination. So has it been done, accumulated over the last 3-4 years? Is it a matter of the last 6-8 months, 1 year? We'll have to wait and watch. They are still counting the cash. We're going to take a very short break. Anila Singh, Nahid Larry Khan, thank you very much. When we come back, Ground Zero Amethi, with the MP of the constituency on Good Governance Day. Straight talk, hard talk with Union Minister Smriti Irani as she takes the right stand.